నమస్తే. న్యూ ఇయర్ అంటే ఎన్నో హోప్స్ ఉంటాయి. కరోనా పెట్టిన బాధల నుంచి ఇప్పుడిప్పుడే బయటపడుతున్న స్టార్స్ కూడా కొత్త ఏడాదిపై ఎన్నో ఆశలు పెట్టుకున్నారు. సూపర్ హిట్ మూవీతో 2021లోకి అందులోనూ టాలీవుడ్లోకి అదిరిపోయే రీ ఎంట్రీ ఇవ్వాలనుకుంటోంది హీరోయిన్ మాళవిక శర్మ. లేటెస్ట్గా ఆమె నటించిన మూవీ రెడ్ సినిమాపై ఎలాంటి ఆశలున్నాయి, న్యూ ఇయర్ ప్లానింగ్స్ ఎలా ఉన్నాయో షేర్ చేసుకునేందుకు మన స్టూడియోకి వచ్చారు. తనతో మాట్లాడి పూర్తి డీటెయిల్స్ కనుక్కుందాం. హలో అండి, వెల్కమ్ టు అవర్ స్టూడియో.
Hi, thank you for having me here.
ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ మాళవిక, హ్యాపీ న్యూ ఇయర్.
Happy New Year.
ఆఫ్టర్ లాంగ్ టైమ్ ఎలా ఉన్నారు? హౌ ఆర్ యూ?
I'm great. How are you?
ఐఎమ్ గుడ్, థ్యాంక్ యూ. సో 2018 తర్వాత మళ్ళీ ఇప్పుడు సో ఎలా ఉండింది? అప్పుడు ఎలా ఉండింది టాలీవుడ్లో, ఇప్పుడు ఎలా ఉంది?
After 2018, yeah, it's kind of. So I started shooting for this film in 2019 for Red, and I was very scared to be on sets, to be like, you know, that was it was. I was really scared, and doing the Telugu lines and everything after 1.5 years was a strange feeling though. But yeah, I mean, I think I've grown. I've become really mature from what I was in 2018
89
to 20 and grown as an actor too.
ఓకే, గుడ్. బట్ ఆల్రెడీ చేసిన ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ ఉంది కదా, ఎందుకు అంటే అంత భయం ఎందుకు వేసింది మీకు? ఎందుకు అంత స్కేర్డ్ అయ్యారు మీరు? ఎందుకు అంత భయపడ్డారు?
I was scared because, you know, working for commercials is quite different and working on sets, like for a film, is very different. It's a very different experience. So I was scared as in I just didn't know if I'll be able to perform.
Language,
Yeah, language problem. And I just always have this thing in my mind that am I a good actor? Will I be able to perform well? Or
Okay.
I was super scared because it was my first day, and like I was just scared that I just want to perform well. I just wanted everything to go like perfectly. So that's why I was just scared.
ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ మీరు మూవీస్లోకి ఎలా వచ్చారు?
So I started doing commercials. Like the ad I auditioned for first was Gioni Mobile, and I got the part. And later, so I always wanted to be a lawyer, and I just wanted to be an independent woman. And I felt that I should start earning and everything. So I started giving auditions. The first audition which I gave, I got the part, and then later I started giving more auditions, and I started doing a lot of commercials. And then I kind of liked what I was doing. And I enrolled myself to an acting workshop, and then later I got the chance for Neela Ticket.
యాడ్స్ చేశారు కదా, సో అక్కడ చూసేసి సెలెక్ట్ చేసుకున్నారా?
I think so, yeah. Ravi sir saw, I think, my Himalaya ads, and my director also saw a few of my commercials, and he saw one of the dance video on YouTube. And they actually, my stylist, Neela Ticket stylist Neerja Kona, she she messaged me on Instagram, and she asked me whether you would like to be a part of this film. And then I was like, of course I would like to. I mean, you know, I'm a newcomer and very young and working with Ravi sir. So yes, of course I would like to be part of this film. So when I came here, I was quite shocked that they didn't take my audition. They didn't do any look test, nothing, like nothing.
వితౌట్ ఆడిషన్స్ సెలెక్ట్ చేసేసారు.
Yeah, I don't know how that happened. I was very lucky at that time, I feel. And working with Ravi sir was really amazing. And yes, I have been.
And how did you got the chance in Red movie?
For Red, I auditioned.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I got a message from the producer, and then I went to Hyderabad, and I met the director. He narrated me the story, and he told me that because it's a performance-oriented role, he wanted to see if I could perform or not, and he wanted to keep a look test. So yeah, I performed a scene from the narration, and yes, I was on board then.
How was the experience with Ram, working experience?
It was really amazing working with him. Like, he's really energetic, and he's quite reserved on sets. You know, when he has to give the take, he puts all his energy
Okay.
in there. So I just feel that he saves his energy for the take. But yeah, everyone has been so helpful. As I said, the first 2 days on the set was really difficult for me because it was like doing something after 1.5 years. And everyone was so helpful, the director, the producer, everyone. So my director also tried to make me understand the character better, and everyone helped me a lot.
You're a law student.
I actually completed my law degree this
Oh,
year,
okay.
and I'm a
Great.
lawyer now.
You're a lawyer.
Yeah, I'm a lawyer now.
ప్రాక్టీస్ చేస్తున్నారా మరి?
Yes, I'm practicing, and
good.
I went to Nampalli Criminal Court also here. and I
Really?
got- Yes.
ఓ
I'm
అంటే లాయర్,
practicing.
హీరోయిన్ అండ్ లాయర్ అనమాట. గుడ్ గుడ్.
Yeah.
సో ఎలా ఉండింది అంటే ప్రాక్టీస్ చేస్తూ ఒక లాయర్గా ఉంటూ ఒక హీరోయిన్గా?
मुझे लगता है मेरे फ्रेंड्स को बहुत ये चीज़ अलग लगती है कि मैं
Different
कभी
गा
college-
अनिपिंचिंది.
हाँ, कि कभी मैं कॉलेज में हूँ और ये सब चीज़ें कर रही हूँ, और नेक्स्ट दिन मैं कभी सेट पे हूँ और मैं कोई ऐड के लिए शूट कर रही हूँ, उसके नेक्स्ट दिन मैं फिर से कुछ कॉलेज का काम कर रही हूँ, मैं कुछ भी कर रही हूँ. तो आई थिंक
Multitask.
हाँ, मतलब मेरे एक्चुअली मेरे कॉलेज के प्रिंसिपल को पता है दैट आई एम एन एक्टर यो,
Ads,
तो इसीलिए वहाँ से भी आई थिंक उनका भी ये था कि अच्छा अब ये भी कर रहे हो और ये भी कर रहे हो वैसे, तो हाँ
Okay.
वो डिफरेंस है.
ఫీలింగ్ ఎలా ఉండింది? సో మల్టీ టాస్కింగ్ కదా, అటు కాలేజ్, యాడ్స్, అన్ని ఫ్రెండ్స్తో.
मुझे मल्टीटास्क करना बहुत पसंद है. आई मीन मुझे मैं अकेले ऐसे खाली नहीं बैठ सकती. आई कांट सिट
ఒకరు కూర్చోరనమాట.
नहीं, आई विल कीप ऑन डूइंग समथिंग, वेदर इट इज अ डांस क्लास या कथक कर रही हूँ, पोल डांस कर रही हूँ, हिप हॉप कर रही हूँ, कुछ भी कर रही
Oh, very
हूँ,
good.
या कुछ नहीं भी कर रही हूँ तो आई विल वॉच सम मूवीज और कोई एक्टिंग वर्कशॉप के लिए चली जाऊँगी. आई कीप ऑन डूइंग समथिंग, सो आई डोंट लाइक टू सिट आइडल. एंड मल्टीटास्किंग, आई लव बोथ माई प्रोफेशंस. लाइक आई लव बीइंग अ लॉयर, लाइक आई लव इट, everything about it. Like I'm doing my masters now, so I gave my
Good.
entrance for the masters, and I got really good marks, so I have enrolled for my
Nice.
masters now, and I love doing both the things.
తెలుగులో వచ్చేసి ఫేవరెట్ స్టార్స్ ఎవరితో ఎక్కువగా మూవీస్ తీస్తే బాగుంటుందని మీ ఫీలింగ్?
Favorite actor here in Telugu industry, Allu Arjun sir. I've watched a lot of films of him, and Prabhas sir, Mahesh sir, Junior NTR sir, Ravi sir, obviously. Yeah.
సో బాలీవుడ్ సినిమాలు ఎందుకు చేయడం లేదంటే అక్కడ ఆపర్చునిటీస్ ఎలా ఉన్నాయి మీకు?
Actually, the thing what happened is I never really tried
ఓకే, సో ఎప్పుడు
to
ట్రై
get
చేయలేదు.
into Bollywood films, or I never really tried to get into commercials also. It's just something that happened to me.
Okay.
Like something which just happened. Like I was always busy doing my studies and everything, and in the meanwhile I started giving auditions and everything. So it's just something that happened.
Okay.
Nothing planned. Like still I haven't planned anything.
అఫ్ కోర్స్ ఆపర్చునిటీస్ వస్తే డెఫినెట్ గా చేస్తారు.
Yeah, why not?
చిన్నప్పటి నుంచి కూడా న్యూ ఇయర్ ఎలా సెలబ్రేట్ చేసుకుంటారు?
Yeah, I've always celebrated childhood with my friends and my family in the building and everything. Now, after coming to like college and everything, now there's this, acha chalo, you have to go out with your friends for clubbing and here and there. So last year I was in Manali for the New Year's or something. So yeah.
ఈ న్యూ ఇయర్ కి ఎలాంటి ప్లాన్స్ ఉన్నాయి మీకు?
So the first thing I have planned for my 1st January is I have to go to a temple.
Hmm,
That's what I've always done. And last year also I was in Manali, and from there I flew to Delhi, and from Delhi I went to Mathura, and I did all the darshan and everything Vrindavan में, because मेरे dad वहाँ से हैं, and I feel कि मुझे मथुरा वृंदावन में बहुत peace मिलता है. So ये ही चीज़ है जो मैं पहले करने वाली हूँ, वो है कि मैं मंदिर जाऊँगी 1st Jan
ఓకే.
में.
ఎవ్రీ ఇయర్ అంటే ప్రతి ఒక్కరు ఏదైనా రెజల్యూషన్ తీసుకుంటూ ఉంటారు, అంటే ఆ రోజుతో స్టార్ట్ చేస్తే కొంతమంది అలా స్టార్ట్ చేస్తూ ఉంటారు. సో వాట్ ఈస్ యువర్ రెజల్యూషన్ దిస్ ఇయర్?
Focus on my health and on myself, and I have decided that I'm gonna eat better. I'm gonna just देखोगी कि जो भी मैं खा रही हूँ proper nutrition ले रही हूँ and everything. So and I'm gonna focus on my work, because it's not easy to handle 2 careers. Like it's not. This is the first time I've felt like it, because I was applying for the bar and like doing a lot of work. So this is the first time I felt कि अच्छा, it's not really easy to handle 2 careers. I mean, it's not like, it's a lot of multitasking.
ఎనీ యువర్ ఫేవరెట్ డైలాగ్ ఇన్ తెలుగు?
Actually, I remember this dialogue from Neela Ticket, which was
నో ప్రాబ్లం.
which was just 2 words.
Okay.
Era tinastava. That's it.
మీకు ఫస్ట్ ఒకవేళ బాలీవుడ్లో ఆఫర్ వస్తే అంటే ఎలాంటి మూవీస్తో ఫస్ట్ వెళ్ళాలనుకుంటున్నారు?
I think the one thing which I really, really want before I die is I want to work with Shah Rukh Khan.
ఓ,
I mean, so I got a ad with Shah Rukh Khan earlier, and at that time I had my exam. I had my graduation exam, so I couldn't go for it. Then I had to say no for
Oh,
the
you
ad,
missed
and
that
I was
chance.
crying. Like I was writing my paper and I was crying. I was like, shit, I missed the chance, but you can't do anything. You have to go and give your exams. One thing I really want is I want to work with him. Yeah.
ఎప్పుడు మీట్ అవ్వలేదు షారుఖ్ని.
I have never met him. I want to meet him.
టాలీవుడ్ స్టార్స్లో చాలా ఫేవరెట్స్ అని చెప్పారు కదా, సో డాన్స్ చూసినప్పుడు ఎవరిది బాగా నచ్చుతుంది మీకు?
Allu
Favorite
Arjun
dance?
sir. I mean, Allu Arjun sir.
ఓ
He's
ఓకే.
a really amazing dancer. I mean, when I look at him, I'm like, how? How is that even possible? So yes.
మూవీలో అంటే రిజర్వ్డ్గా ఉంటారని చెప్పారు కదా రామ్, అంటే మీ ఇద్దరి మధ్య ఎలా ఉండింది ఆ మూవీ టైంలో?
As I said, he is very reserved. He's very reserved and he doesn't speak much on sets. I think he just reserves his energy for the take.
Once camera
it's action, he gives it all and he always stays in the character. That's what I feel when I worked with him. Like, yeah. That's
సో
what
రామ్తో చేస్తున్నప్పుడు అంటే కొంచెం భయంగా ఉండింది మూవీ చేస్తున్నప్పుడు, ఎనీ సజెషన్స్?
just be free. I think because I was just very scared and yeah, he would just tell me to just be free. My DOP and my director to just be, you know, chill. Yeah.
తమిళ్లో ఫేవరెట్ స్టార్స్ ఎవరు?
Dhanush.
ధనుష్.
Dhanush sir.
ఓ నైస్. చాలా మంది ధనుష్ అంటూ ఉంటారు కదా, అంటే ఫస్ట్ నుంచి ధనుష్ ఇష్టమా?
Yeah, but I have
యాక్టింగ్ వైజ్, డాన్స్ ఏవి బాగా నచ్చి?
everything and I have watched Ranjana. So after Ranjana, then I started watching Dhanush sir's film and in Ranjana he has acted so well even though he doesn't know the language. I mean, he has acted so well.
ఇప్పుడు ప్రెసెంట్ ఏమైనా ఆఫర్స్ ఉన్నాయా తమిళ్ నుంచి?
Yes, I got quite few offers in Tamil. As I said, in 2021 you will see me debuting in Tamil industry.
ఓకే.
Yes.
మూవీస్లోకి వచ్చాక లైఫ్ ఎలా ఉంది, అంటే ఎలా చేంజ్ అయిపోయింది?
मैं अभी भी कॉलेज जाती हूँ या अभी भी सेम चीज़ें होती है. अभी भी मैं मुंबई में ऑटो से ट्रैवल करती हूँ, अभी भी मैं स्ट्रीट फूड खाती हूँ, अभी भी मैं फ्रेंड्स के साथ बाहर होती हूँ. तो मेरी लाइफ काफ़ी सिमिलर है बिकॉज अब तक मुझे लगता है कि आई एम स्टिल स्टडिंग या अभी भी मेरे कॉलेज में फ्रेंड्स हैं. अभी भी मैं मास्टर्स के लिए अप्लाई कर रही हूँ, मैं फिर से कोई न्यू कॉलेज जाने वाली हूँ. तो मेरी लाइफ इतनी डिफरेंट तो नहीं हुई है मुझे ऐसा लगता है. बट हाँ, जब मैं
లిటిల్ బిజీ.
busy हो गई हूँ. Yes, busy, yes. But I still make time for everything. Like I love to chill with my friends. तो अगर मैं मुंबई में भी हूँ, अगर मैं पूरा दिन काम कर रही हूँ तो रात को I'll make sure that I'm meeting my friends.
ఎవ్రీ డే
हाँ.
మ్యాక్సిమమ్? ఓకే.
Actually, हाँ. Like I think every day I meet my friends. So in Hyderabad also I've made quite few friends. Like my neighbors are my friends. So घर जाने के बाद I'll go, I'll chill at their place and I'll.
ఫ్యూచర్ ప్రాజెక్ట్స్ ఏమేమి ఉన్నాయి ప్రెసెంట్? వాట్ ఈస్ యువర్ ఫ్యూచర్ ప్రాజెక్ట్స్ ప్రెసెంట్?
Future projects, so this film which is releasing in Sankranti, and after that, as I told you, that I'll be debuting in Tamil industry.
Tamil,
And as of now, yeah, that's it. And I'm already doing my internship here. So whenever I get time, I go to office and I go to court and I try to learn those things. So that's what
very
I'm
busy.
doing. Yes, busy.
రైట్ మాళవిక, అంటే స్టూడియోకి వచ్చి చాలా విషయాలు మాతో షేర్ చేసుకున్నారు. థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ అండ్
Thank you
వన్స్
so
అగైన్ హ్యాపీ న్యూ ఇయర్.
Happy New Year.
మీ ఫ్యూచర్ ప్రాజెక్ట్స్ అన్నీ చాలా బాగుండాలని, మంచి ఆపర్చునిటీస్ రావాలని మేము కూడా కోరుతున్నాం. థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్.
Thank you.
సో ఫ్రెండ్స్, చూసారు కదా న్యూ ఇయర్కి ముందు ఈ ఇయర్ ఎలా ఉండబోతుంది, ఎలా ఉంటే బాగుంటుంది, తన ఫ్యూచర్ ప్రాజెక్ట్స్ ఏంటి అని మాళవిక చాలా విషయాలు మనతో షేర్ చేసుకున్నారు కదా. ఇది వాళ్ళ స్పెషల్ చిట్ చాట్. స్టే ట్యూన్డ్ టు టీ న్యూస్.